With Logo 8.3 and its corresponding cloud connectivity, there are many new possibilities, for example, using Logo as a gateway. For this, the data transmission of an energy counter within a plan is considered. Up to now, the values of the electricity counter have been transferred to a conventional control system, which is then displayed on an HMI. If you want to view the data independent of location and at any time, it is advantageous to store the data values in a cloud. And this is where Logo comes in. The measured values can be sent from the existing control system to Logo without having to load the application itself onto Logo. Logo sends these values directly to the cloud. All devices with Modbus TCP or S7 Classic communication can be connected to Logo. This way, important data can be collected and analyzed centrally in a simple and cost-efficient way. Logo, small but wow.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.